So hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech Camp channel. So in this video we are going to have our lecture 2 of Python programming. So this lecture is going to be about the if and else conditional statements, which is very easy. Okay, so let's start. Let's define two variables. We define a equal to 10 and b equal to 89. Then we can just write an if statement of whether a is less than b. Then we can just print something to the console. It's a very simple statement. Like if you want to compare whether a is less than b, then you can just write if a less than b, then the semicolon, and then after entering a new line you can just write the print statement. For if you want to say that a is less than b, then you want to print a string to the console, then you can print something like that: a is less than b. You can print something like that. And for the else statement, you can print this opposite of this. Like if a is not less than b, then of course b is greater than a. That's very simple. Now when you run this program, you can see the output here. A is less than b. As you can see in this example, 10 is definitely less than 89. Okay, so let's have another if else statement. So here we will have a you can say double equal to b. I mean, it's the equality operator. Then you can print a is equal to b. That's a simple statement, right? Then after that you can have a else statement which will say print. You can just have this a is equal to b, then you can just have copy and then just paste it here. Is you can just write it's not equal to b. Of course we'll have that opposite. Okay, so when you run the statement, it says a is less than b and a is not equal to b. Of course you can say 10 is not equal to 89. And yeah, with the first statements here you can make a comment also. If you want to make comments in Python, I will make another video on that. Okay, so now let's have another if else statement. Okay, so if else statements are followed by elif statements. Okay, so let's have this example a little bit more complicated. So if you have this case that if a is greater than b, print a is less than b. Suppose we have this case, then in the else statement we cannot write print a is greater than b, because there can be a case where a is equal to b. Suppose here we know, but in practical situations we don't know. So for that we can have an elif statement. So in this elif statement we can have another definition of our operators. If a equals b, then we can print a is equal to b. Yeah, that's simple. A is equal to b. And now when both of these cases do not satisfy the situation, then we'll use the else statement, which we can be followed like a is greater than b. Sorry, it's not a, it's not s, it's a. And then we can be followed by double quotes and closing brackets. And now when we run this program, we have a is less than b. You can say 10 is less than 89. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing my channel, because that motivates me a lot. So guys, that's it.